क्लास नाइन्थ। आज हम सोशल साइंस की वर्कशीट 73 करेंगे, जो ज्योग्राफी के चैप्टर इंडिया साइज एंड लोकेशन से रिलेटेड है। ये वर्कशीट जो है वो 3 to 5 मार्क्स क्वेश्चंस से रिलेटेड है। एक क्वेश्चन इसमें सोर्स बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है। आपको पैराग्राफ रीड करना है और पैराग्राफ से रिलेटेड आपको आंसर देना है। तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, राइट द लॉन्गिट्यूडनल and latitudinal extent of India. Answer number 1, the mainland extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north, and longitude 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. आप मैप में भी देख सकते हैं। हमारा जो लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट है 8 डिग्री 4 मिनट्स नॉर्थ टू 37 डिग्री 6 मिनट्स नॉर्थ, और लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट 68 डिग्री 7 मिनट्स ईस्ट टू 97 डिग्री 25 मिनट्स ईस्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, वाई 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude is selected as the standard meridian of India. 82 degree 30 minutes स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन, आप देख सकते हैं इसे मैप में। 82 डिग्री 30 मिनट्स मेरिडियन ये इंडिया के बीच में से जाती है। तो आंसर नंबर 2, 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude is selected as the standard meridian of India because the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat. This causes a time lag of 2 hours from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. To avoid confusion and to have a standard time for reference, 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude has been taken as a standard time for the whole country. This is answer number 2. Now question number 3. Write a short note on the neighboring countries of India. Answer number 3. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east, Sri Lanka southeast and Maldives southwest across the sea. This is answer number 3. Now question number 4. Write a short note on the islands of India. आप देख सकते हैं इंडिया के मैप में, यहाँ बे ऑफ बंगाल में अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स एंड अरेबियन सी में लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड्स। तो आंसर नंबर 4, to the southwest and to the southeast and southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Island in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are bigger in size and are more numerous and scattered. There is a great diversity of flora and fauna in this group of islands. Lakshadweep Islands are composed of small coral islands. It covers small area of 32 square kilometer. This island group has great diversity of flora and fauna. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Describe India's relation with the Western countries through ancient times. So answer number 5. India had close contacts with Western countries since ancient times. The spices, muslin, and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, the influence of Greek sculpture and the architectural style of dome and minarets from West India can be seen in different parts of our country. This is answer number 5. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Why is the difference between the durations of day and night hardly felt at Kanyakumari, but not in Kashmir? But not so in Kashmir. So answer number 6. The duration of day and night at the equator is almost equal. As we move away from the equator, the difference in the duration of day and night increases. Kanyakumari is located near the equator, while Kashmir is located away from the equator. That is why there is a difference in the duration of a day and night between Kanyakumari and Kashmir. Question number 7. The central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is of great significance. Justify the statement. So answer number 7. The Indian landmass had a central position between the eastern and the western and the West Asia. आप देख सकते हैं इंडिया की पोजीशन बिल्कुल सेंटर में है. The trans-Indian ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia. The Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western coast, with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has, and hence it is of great significance. Now question number 8 is a source based question. तो हम पैराग्राफ रीड करेंगे, फिर हम जो पैराग्राफ से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस हैं उनके आंसर देंगे. तो पैराग्राफ, read the extract and answer the following questions. India's contact with the world have continued through ages, but her relationship through the land routes are much older than her maritime contacts. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers, while the ocean restricted such interactions for a long time. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient times. The ideas of the Upanishad and the Ramayana, the stories of Panchtantra, the Indian numerals, and the decimal system thus could reach many parts of the world. The spices, muslin, and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, the influence of Greek sculpture and the architectural style of dome and minarets from West Asia can be seen in different parts of our country. Now, question number 1. Which of the following was the oldest mode of communication used by India to contact the world? Sea route, land route, air route, and none of these. So answer of this question is land route. Land route. Now question number 2. Where did the decimal system originate? The decimal system originated in India. Question number 3. Which Western architectural styles had influence on Indian architectural style? So answer is Greek sculpture and architectural styles had influence on Indian architectural styles. Now question number 4. List a few items which were exported to different countries from India during ancient times. Spices, muslin, and other merchandise. So this is our worksheet 73.